guys! Welcome back to my another unboxing! Yes, I'm so excited and I'm so happy this morning because after my live stream, ta-da! I received this and I'm waiting this parcel for so long because this is a very special gift, no, from my secret supporter. Yeah, I cannot reveal the country, guys. No, I cannot reveal who is my secret supporter because that is a secret. Yes, but maybe one of this day, I can. but not for now. Are you excited to open this? Are you excited? Yes, I'm so excited because I guess it's been 2 months. Yeah, I guess it's been 2 months. I'm waiting this gift from my secret supporter. And then, and how many times I go to the post office, guys? Yeah, how many times? I cannot count it. How many times, no? Ilang beses na ba ako nagpunta doon sa post office para lang makuha ito? But sadly, hindi pa talaga dumating. But now, yeah, they deliver it here, door to door. Yes. So, without further ado, guys, let's open this one. Okay? Yes, I'm so excited. Excited na ba kayo? Are you excited with me? Come closer, guys, and let's open this. Okay? And before I will open, I almost forgot. I want to say thank you so much to my secret supporter. Yeah. Oh, yes. I'm so excited and I'm so happy na I could touch it and I can hug it. Yeah. And guys, take note. Ano kaya ito? Yes! What is this? Okay, so, thank you so much. No, I cannot reveal your name, your country, but I'm so thankful. Yeah, I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Hey, yes, and now, let's open na, guys. Okay. Hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Open na natin ito. Okay. Yes. Yan, ito. Yan. Tantaran. Tantaran. Yan, hindi naman makikita ninyo kung sino yan. But, yeah. From S country. Or from West. Nandyan lang yan siya. Yan. Nasa S or nasa West countries is my soap. And then, clue natin, blue eyes, of course, blue eyes. Blue eyes, yes, blue eyes. He has a blue eyes, of course. Ayan, okay, I will, yes. Nakikita ko na, guys. I saw it. Ayan, dahan-dahanan natin. Yan, dun. Yes, okay. Tan-taran! Oh! Nakabalot pa. Okay? Yes, ayan. Di talaga kayo maniwala sa akin, oh. May nakasulat pa, guys, oh. May nakasulat pa, oh. Yes, silapit natin. From secret. Okay. Okay, from secret. Okay, pakita natin. From secret. See, nakita nyo? From secret. Ayan, ayaw niya talagang i-reveal, no? He doesn't want to reveal his, And I will respect it, okay? Wow, ang ganda. Color pink. Girly naman. Okay. Open na natin to. Paano ito? Paano ito pag nung ribbon na ito? Ayoko. I don't want to cut it. Kasi very Ay, bakit? Natanggal. Natanggal. Kakaloka naman. Sige na lang. Yes, yan na lang natin. I-cut na lang natin. Kasi ipa-frame ko ito. I-frame talaga, yes. Ilagay ko ito sa album ko. Yes. Kasi napaka-memorable nito sa akin. Okay? And then, nakaano pa talaga siya? Ganito pala. This is the smell from, package from other country. Yan. Ang bango! You smell good talaga siya. Smell good talaga siya. I don't want to mention the country, but ang bango-bango. Ha? Now I know. Now I know, guys, the smell of, mga package from the other country. Talaga siyang, smell good. Para siyang, sa mga laundry. Okay, ten-taren. Wow! Wow, ha? It is a top, okay? Wow, ha? The shoulder, off shoulder siya, guys. Yeah, this is an off shoulder. Yeah. Yes. Off shoulder siya. Paano ba ito? Yes. Off shoulder siya, guys. Yeah, here we go. Yan. Bakit alam niya na mahilig talaga ako sa off shoulder? He knows, no, na he really loved me. Off shoulder. And then, may terno siya. It is a terno. Sana, magkasya. Ay, parang kasya ito sa akin, guys. Oh my God. Ano yun? May nahulog. Aray. May nahulog. Okay. Ayoko ipakita ito. Ayoko ipakita ito. Yes, ayoko ipakita ang country. Ayoko ipakita ang country, guys. Para siyang, kitchen. Ayoko ipakita ang country. Cause, malalaman ninyo saan ito galing. Ito, yes, kitchen siya. Ito na lang. Malalaman nyo talaga kung saan ito, yes. Kung ipakita ko ang country, kaya ayoko ipakita, guys. Ayoko ipakita. Ayan, secret. Wow, yes. Ito din. Ala! Yan, thank you. Yes. Yeah, I love it. Oh, I can put it on my bags, okay? Sa bags, pwede ba ito bags, yeah? Oh, ang ganda. Ano ba ito? I will ask. Oh. Yes, yan. Makikita ba ang country? Yan. Thank you. Yes. And then, here we go. Yeah, this is a pants. Yes. Parang kasya naman sa akin siya. At may laso naman. Baka I will wear it, sir. Yes. I will take a video, guys, and just wait for a while. Here we go, guys. Yeah, kasya lang. Yes, yeah. Thank you so much. I really love it. Yes, I love the fit. Yes, and super na-in love talaga ako sa amoy. Yeah, I fall in love. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, this is the smell. Like, yung mga smell. Ito palang smell ng galing abroad. Yes, yung ganda. I love it. Yeah, although mataas yung pants, but no, I don't want to cut it. Yes, ang ganda. Very fashion, and he knows na I really love shoulder. Yes, up shoulder lang talaga. Ang lapit. Tiyak. Para yung mga chan-chan natin dyan, hindi masyado makita. Yes. Oh, I need to, I really love it. Yes, I really love it. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. See? Yeah, I love off shoulder. Yes. I really love off shoulder talaga. Yeah. Kasi shoulder lang talaga yung pwede makikita ko. Yes, and once again, thank you so much for my secret supporter. Yes. I fall in love talaga sa off shoulder na ito. Yes, ang ganda talaga, guys. Yes, ganda. It looks like parang 18 years old lang ako. Okay. Yes, so thank you so much. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching, and once again, I want to say thank you to my secret supporter for sending this gift. Na I really appreciate it. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching my another unboxing video. And once again, thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.